Welcome to Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to look at the problem-solving strategy of working backwards. Sometimes in word problems you're given the answer and asked to work back to the beginning to find out what the original amount was. For example, in your bank account you have $45.67 at the end of the month. Over the month you paid bills totaling $260.99 and were paid only $100. How much money was in the account at the beginning of the month? Well, we know that there's $45.67 at the end of the month, and that you paid bills of $260. So those are paid bills. So really that money was in your account at the beginning of the month. So let's add that together. Doing the opposite, working back to the beginning of the month. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 9 plus 7 is 16 again. 1 plus 5 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 10. So we had $306.66. But you were paid $100. So you didn't have that money at the beginning of the month. So let's subtract that. Let's take the $306.66 and let's take away the $100. I'll put in some placeholders there to help me out. 0 from 6 is 6, 0 from 6 is 6, 6, 0 from 0, 0, 206.66. So at the beginning of the month, you had $206.66 in your account, and over the month you're paid $100 more, but you paid out $260.99, leaving you with $45.67 at the end of the month. Another example would be if I chose a number and I multiplied it by 12, added 40, and divided by 8. The result, or the answer, was 26. What number did I start with? Well, I need to work backwards and undo this. So let's start with 26. And the very last thing I did was divide it by 8. So let's multiply that by 8. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20, so 208. Okay, so I multiplied it by 8, got 208. I added 40, so let's undo that and let's subtract 40. Which leaves me with 168. And I multiplied it by 12, so that means I have to undo that by dividing by 12. So how many times does 12 go into 168? 12 goes in once. How many times does 12 go into 48? 12 times 4 is 48 with no remainders. So that should be my answer because I've ran out of clues. The number that I chose was 14. So we could check that and we could work it through and we should end up with the same answer. Alright, thank you for watching. Be sure to check the website, class website, for additional examples and class assignments.